Sushant Singh Rajput's post told about his depression. Bollywood has lost one of the finest and underrated actors, Sushant Singh Rajput, who took his own life due to depression. The actor was suffering from depression for the last 6 months of his life, and his social media posts are proof that he was going through a lot of trauma. Let us have a look at some of the posts of the amazing actor. Posted on 3rd June. The caption of this black and white collage of his mother and his picture reads, "Blurred past evaporating from teardrops, unending dreams carving an arc of smile and a fleeting life, negotiating between the two." Posted on 2nd May. The caption of this image reads, "I got up today and looked at myself through your eyes, and then looked back at you with everything I understood I was." Posted on 29th April. He wrote in the caption, "Just like in a hierarchy where every employee tends to rise to his level of incompetence, in evolution, system tends to develop up to the limit of their adaptive competence. The shape of existence, it seems, is the shape of failure. Success could be then recognizing this shape and still pursue. The times, they are a-changing." Posted on 23rd April. Almost anybody can learn to think or believe or know, but not a single human being can be taught to feel. Why? Because whenever you think or you believe or you know, you are a lot of other people. But the moment you feel, you are nobody but yourself. To be nobody but yourself in a world which is doing its best, night and day to make you everybody else, means to fight the hardest battle which any human being can fight and never stop fighting. Posted on 28th March. The caption says, "In the fight between you and the world, back the world." Posted on 22nd March. His caption reads, "All we see of one another was born in stars. In a cosmic accounting, we are 90% stars remnants, and yet out of these star stuff emerges life, capable of looking into the sky to perceive other stars shining. They seem distant and far, but we are really close to them. How beautiful is that?" Posted on 6th May. The caption of this black and white picture of himself is a poem dedicated to his mother that reads, "As long as you were, I was. Now just in my memories, I come alive. Like that shadow, but just flickers. Time doesn't move here, it's beautiful mother, it's forever." These posts and the captions with these posts show that he was feeling loneliness and was going through a miserable situation since last few months. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.